Hey guys, welcome to Motive with Saurav. Today I am replacing alternator in Toyota Camry 2004. Customer said all the lights comes on while driving like ABS, airbag, battery light and everything start flashing on the cluster meter. He already replaced the battery but the problem is still same, so I diagnosed the alternator is faulty. So we need to replace that, and let me show you how to replace the alternator in Camry. So let's get started. So you found the alternator just on the right side of the engine compartment under the hood, and the first step, you need to disconnect the battery. Just simply remove the any of the terminal, like positive or maybe negative, whichever you want. In my case I just removed the terminal, the positive one. To do that you need a 10 mm socket, ratchet, and maybe you can use it the 10 mm wrench as well. So I'm using a ratchet, so just loosen it up and just separate the wire clamp from the terminal so battery get disconnected. So next thing to do, just disconnect all the electrical connection from the alternator. As you see under the rubber cap you find the 10 mm nut. You again need a 10 mm socket, ratchet, and just simply loosen it up and remove the nut from the connection, and then you can easily disconnect the wire. So here is the cable are disconnected, and after that you need to disconnect that coupler as well. So just be careful, don't break it, it's a plastic one. So you need to push that lock, push a little harder and then try to push it out. It's gonna be comes off. So after that we need to remove the belt as well from the alternator pulley. So for this you need to find that 19 mm bolt. As you can see in the video, let me show you by the pointing towards the bolt. And here we go, that's the bolt. It's a 19 mm bolt. You need to put the 19 mm socket into and pull it towards yourself so it can be loose the belt, and you can easily remove the belt from the alternator pulley. So I am using a long ratchet with the 19 mm socket. I'm using a shallow socket because there is a less space over there. It's a tidy space, so the tape socket is not working there. So use a shallow 19 mm socket to take out the belt. After removing the belt, you just need to loose and take it out that 14 mm bolt, which is located close to the belt, but it's a back side of the alternator, which it's a clamp type of bolt which is help to hold the alternator with the engine. So that's the long bolt you see in the video. That's the bolt which is we need to remove and take it out. So here is the bolt in the front of you. So that's the clamp type bolt, and the second bolt is in the bottom of the alternator. As you see in the video, that's a 12 mm bolt. You need to remove that to take out the alternator. So use the 12 mm socket with ratchet and you can loosen it up and take it out. So here is the bottom bolt which I just removed, and now the alternator is free from the clamp. After that, just make sure match your new alternator with the old one. If you find everything good and perfect, so just start installing new one. Just start with the big bolt, and on the top one just put the top one first and tighten it up, and put the second one on the bottom, and then start connecting the older electrical cables which we are removed from the old one. And after that you just simply connect the battery terminal and then you're good to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and do subscribe.